If you don't know English at all and you feel sad or confused, then this video can change your journey. Many people want to learn English because they want a job. Maybe you also want a job. Maybe you want a better future. So listen carefully. I want to say sorry because here my teeth is lots of pain and I can't say clearly anything. You can see that I can't open my mouth clearly. So don't forget and don't see how I say. You only focus what I am saying. That is important for you. Okay? English can change your life. If you know English, you can get a better job. You can speak English confidently in interview. You can grow in your career. Hey futures. Hello futures learner. Welcome back to Nigam English Academy. This is day 7 of Learn English with Me series. Today's video is very special because one of my viewers asked me, how can I learn English? I'm showing your comment, okay? That video goes viral and one viewers asked me. Then today I make this video. I know I'm not fine, but my viewer is important for me, so I make this video everyone and that one. So today I will teach you step by step how to learn English from zero. Part 1. Start with a small, simple English. Many students make one big mistake. They try to learn hard English first. Don't do that. Start with very simple sentence. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am happy. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am a student. I am a student. I am at home. I am at home. I'm smart. I'm beautiful. I'm intelligent. I do my works. I speak this daily. Small steps, big success. Part number 2. Listening is the key. If you want to speak English, first you must listen English. What you can do? Watch English video. Listen carefully. Repeat again and again. Don't just watch. Speak with me. Let's practice. I'm learning. I'm learning. You are learning. You are learning. We are learning. We are learning. You can also watch my old video and listen carefully. Part number 3. Daily practice. That is most important. If you don't do this, then you can never speak English fluently. English is not a subject. English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. If you practice 10 minutes daily, you will improve. If you skip you will forget. So promise me, say with me, I practice English every day. I will not give up. I will become confident. Say with me, I want a job. I am learning English for my job. I will improve my English. I will succeed in my life. Part 4. Don't fear mistakes. Many students think, what if I make mistakes? Listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teachers. If you speak wrong, you learn. If you stay silent, you never learn. So speak without fear. Part 5. Think in English. This is very powerful technique. Stop thinking in Hindi first. Start thinking in English slowly. For example, I'm eating food. I'm going outside. I'm watching video. I'm learning English. Whatever you do, say it in English. This will change your mind completely. Part 6. Use English in daily life. Don't wait for perfect English. Use simple English in your daily life. For examples, drink water. I am drinking water. Work. Say I am working. Study. Say I am studying. Speak while doing actions. Part 7. Confidence building practice. Now speak with full confidence. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I am improving daily. I will speak English confidently. Nothing can stop me. Now I will ask you. Now I will ask you and you answer me. What are you doing? I am learning English. Why are you learning English? I want to improve my futures. Are you afraid? No, I am confident. Part 8. 10 minutes daily plan. This is very helpful. Now I will give you a simple daily plan. If you follow this for 30 days, your English will improve. Only 10 to 50 minutes daily. 5 minutes watch English video. 5 minutes repeat sentence loudly. 5 minutes speak about your day. That's it. Say with me. I will follow this routine. I will practice daily. Part 9. Mirror practice. This is a secret trick that is very important. If anyone do this, that can definitely speak fluently. This is a very powerful trick. Go in front of a mirror, look at yourself and speak in English. For examples, my name is Nigam. I am learning English. I will speak confidently. This improves your confidence plus fluency. Part 10. Talk to yourselves. This is very important. If you don't have friends, no problem. Talk to yourself in English. For examples, What I am doing? I am making food, I am studying, I am watching video. This is called self-practice. Part 11. Common mistakes. About this sentence, don't translate every sentence. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't feel shy. Don't skip practice. Just speak simple English. Just speak. Part 12. Confidence booster. Practice with me. Say these lines loudly. I'm not able to speak loudly, but you can speak loudly. I'm not afraid. I'm learning English step by step. I will become fluent. I will achieve my goals. Part 13. Real life examples. You can say, when a child learns a language, they don't know grammars. They just listen and speak. Same way, you can also learn English. Are you a beginner? Do you feel shy while speaking English? Comment your answer. If nobody supports you, still don't stop learning, because your future depends on your skill, and English is a very important skill. If you are serious about learning English, then comment, I will learn English no matter what. And one thing I am asking you, why do you want to learn English? Job, study, confidence? Comment your answer. And also Day-7 complete. आज से 30 दिन आप और मैं साथ में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, और मैं वादा करती हूँ आपकी इंग्लिश ज़रूर इम्प्रूव होगी. Subscribe for Learn English. Don't forget to subscribe and share.